Eating a few soaked almonds before sleep may look like a very small habit, but it can make a big difference in brain health, memory, and mental clarity over time. Many people complain that they forget things easily, feel mentally tired, or wake up with a dull mind, especially after the age of 35 or 40. The reason is not always stress or age. It is often poor nutrition and poor quality sleep. Almonds are one of the best natural foods for the brain because they contain vitamin E, healthy fats, magnesium, and antioxidants that help protect brain cells from damage and support better communication between neurons. When the brain gets the right nutrients, it performs better naturally without medicines. Soaking almonds overnight is very important. Raw almonds have a brown skin that contains compounds which can make digestion harder for some people. When you soak 5 to 7 almonds in water overnight and remove the skin before eating, they become easier to digest, and their nutrients are absorbed more efficiently by the body. Eating soaked almonds about 30 minutes before bedtime helps calm the nervous system and prepares the brain for deep, restful sleep. Magnesium in almonds plays a key role in relaxing the brain and muscles, which helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And when sleep quality improves, the brain gets enough time to repair, refresh, and strengthen memory pathways during the night. This is important because most brain repair and memory consolidation happens while we sleep. If sleep is poor, even the best diet cannot fully support brain health. That is why this simple habit works so well. It improves both nutrition and sleep at the same time. Over several days, the brain starts functioning more efficiently, focus improves, and mental fog begins to clear. Many people notice that they feel more alert in the morning, can concentrate better during the day, and remember things more easily. This habit is especially helpful for students, working professionals, and seniors who want to keep their minds sharp naturally. However, consistency is the key. Eating soaked almonds once or twice will not create magic overnight. You need to follow this habit regularly for at least 7 to 14 days to feel noticeable changes, and longer use can give even better results. It is also important to chew the almonds properly instead of swallowing them quickly, because digestion starts in the mouth. At the same time, avoid heavy meals late at night, reduce screen time before sleep, and try to sleep at a fixed time to support the brain even more. This remedy is natural, affordable, and safe for most people, but anyone with a nut allergy should avoid almonds. Remember, strong memory and a sharp brain do not come from expensive supplements, but from small daily habits done correctly. If you take care of your brain today, it will take care of you tomorrow, helping you stay focused, confident, and mentally active as you grow older.